Golden Apple. A Tale of Honesty. Once upon a time, in a village full of colorful houses, lived colorful characters. Each house and its resident matched one color of the rainbow. Red lived in the red house, orange in the orange house, yellow in the yellow house, green in the green house, blue in the blue house, and violet in the violet house. One day, a golden apple appeared in the village square. It was the most beautiful apple anyone had ever seen. A message was attached to it that read, "The apple will grant a single wish to the one who possesses the most beautiful color." Each villager thought their own color was the most beautiful. They all wanted the golden apple. This caused a conflict, and the once peaceful village was now in chaos. A wise, old, gray-colored tortoise, hearing the commotion, slowly made his way towards the village square. He looked at the golden apple and then at the squabbling villagers. The tortoise spoke, "Why not let the apple decide? Each of you, touch the apple and it will glow the color it finds most beautiful." The villagers agreed to this fair solution. One by one, the villagers touched the apple, but the apple did not glow any color. They were surprised and confused. Finally, the tortoise said, "Let me try." He touched the apple, and to everyone's surprise, the apple started glowing a bright, beautiful rainbow color. The tortoise spoke, "The most beautiful color is not a single one, but all colors together in harmony." This was a test of honesty, and you all were too busy arguing to see it. The villagers understood and apologized. They learned that honesty is the best policy, and that all colors are beautiful.